Hello, students of Standard 8. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Montbritia. We were in the second chapter of history, establishment of British rule in India. We were going through how Britishers has came to our country, how they gradually taken hold or control the whole country. They started interfering in the political activities of our country because the Indian rulers were fighting among themselves. There were no unity among the rulers, and the Europeans took the advantage of this political disunity in our country, and as a trader they came and they started interfering in the political system of our country. In Bengal, I have told you that Alivardi Khan, he has restricted the Europeans, especially the Britishers, to interfere in the political activities of our country. He told them that you have came for trade, you do trade. After Alivardi Khan, Siraj-ud-Dowla, also his grandson, also followed the same policy, but he was defeated. Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal, was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. So today we will study about this Battle of Plassey, which is very important, sure to come in the exam of 4 marks. The Battle of Plassey was a decisive victory of British East India Company over the Nawab of Bengal. Means in Battle of Plassey, Nawab of Bengal was defeated very badly by the Britishers. Why? Due to the treacherous act of the commander-in-chief Mir Jafar of Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal. The battle helped Britishers to establish British rule in the next 2 centuries. For 200 years, Britishers has ruled our country, and that was started with the Battle of Plassey. If Battle of Plassey would have been owned by Nawab of Bengal, the Britishers cannot even interfere in any part of our country. That would have been their end over here in India. They have to go back or they have to do only trade with India. But the battle took place on June 23, 1757. You should remember it. June 23, 1757, Battle of Plassey took place in West Bengal. Where? On the banks of Bhagirathi River, where it is about 150 kilometers north of Calcutta near Murshidabad. Then Murshidabad was then the capital of Nawab of Bengal at that time. The opponents, who were the 2 parties who was involved in this war? Obviously, Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal, the last independent Nawab of Bengal, and the British East India Company. The battle was waged during the 7 years war in Europe, 1756 to 1763, with the French. Britishers were previously fighting with the French for last 7 years, and here Siraj-ud-Dowla wanted to support French, and French also supported Siraj-ud-Dowla. And that is the reason why Siraj-ud-Dowla was eager to fight with British, because French was there to help him. But they had a crush defeat. The French East India Company sent a small contingent, small army to fight against the Britishers in favor of Nawab of Bengal. Siraj-ud-Dowla's army commander, that is defected to the British, means he has gone and mixed with the British. He has involved himself with the British for some selfish motives. which caused the army to collapse. Means he has not sent the army only to fight with the Britishers. Siraj-ud-Dowla was defeated due to lack of sufficient army. As a result, the entire province of Bengal fell into the hands of the company. After the defeat of Battle of Plassey by the Britishers, the total province of Bengal went into the hand of Britishers. The enormous wealth gained from the Bengal treasury allowed the company to significantly strengthen the military might of the Britishers. Means Bengal was at that time full of wealth in India. And as soon as Bengal came in the hand of the Britishers, the total wealth of Bengal has went into the hand of the Britishers. Automatically, this enormous amount of wealth, the Britishers used to strengthen their army in India to rule in India against the Indian rulers. Our country, our wealth, Britishers have used to strengthen their army against Indian rulers. And who has helped that? Indian people. Due to the treacherous act of Mir Jafar, Nawab of Bengal was defeated. So, from the beginning, there were traitors in our country, due to which Britishers ruled in our country for last 200 years and enslaved us for 200 years. This is Battle of Plassey. After that, what happened? There are many other battles against Britishers by the Indians. We will go through gradually. In next video of mine, I will go through the Battle of Boxer, which is very also important. Too much important. These two wars, Battle of Plassey and Battle of Boxer. So wait for my next video. Thank you.